So what do you use your Vaseline petroleum jelly for? Is it for hand care, hair care, lip care, or for making your perfumes last longer? Right in this video, I'll be telling you how I use my Vaseline petroleum jelly to achieve that soft, healthy, radiant glow. Stick and stay, I will be back.
Beauty Bellcito. Beauty Bellcito. Glow beyond glamour.
Vaseline is made of 100% petroleum jelly, and we have so many brands out there. This is also Vaseline, but this is a local Vaseline called yellow petroleum jelly. I love this one too. The texture is not as thick as this very one. I'll come to that, okay? So this Blue Seal Vaseline is the most common brand on the market, and it comes in so many different varieties. It is pure petroleum jelly, and this is the original one. We have the aloe vera extract, we have the cocoa butter extract, and we also have vitamin E extra. So whichever you want to go for, yes, you can go for them. We have petroleum jelly from so many other brands, so whichever one you're going for, that is cool. Once it's petroleum jelly, you don't have any problem, it is cool. Just go ahead and grab it. Now I'm going to tell you what I do with my Vaseline petroleum jelly. One thing I do with my Vaseline petroleum jelly is to remove my mascara. So I use this Vaseline, I use this very one to remove my mascara. You can also use it to remove your makeup, your foundation. Okay, so just apply it on the entire face and then use cotton wool to just clean it, wipe it off, and everything will just come out easily. But if you are acne prone, then immediately you are done removing your foundation or your makeup, quickly wash it off. Don't even wait and say that since you have removed your makeup, you are good to go. You want to relax a little till evening before or till night before you wash your face or you take a shower. No, just wash your face with soap, okay, with a gentle cleanser. Because applying Vaseline directly on the face, especially when you are acne prone or when you have oily skin or pimples on your face, you are going to break out more. You're going to break out, you're going to develop more pimples, and it's going to be disastrous. So you can use it to remove your makeup and make sure you wash your face immediately. I also use Vaseline petroleum jelly to formulate my pink lip cream. Even though the brand has special ones made for the lips, I still go ahead and use this one for my pink lip cream. But then I don't always use this very one. I prefer using this very. This one is not as thick as this is too thick, and it doesn't make the lip feel soft and supple like that. This is how this one looks like. So you see, it's not balmy, it's not balm, it's creamy. I use this one more for my lip products, my pink lip cream, and this one is also good. It feels so good on the skin. It feels so good on the skin. I just love this one as compared to this. They are both petroleum jelly, but just that this one is yellow petroleum jelly and this one is pure petroleum jelly. So the choice is yours, whether you're going to use it for your lip directly or for your pink lip cream. If you still want to use this brand for your lip, then go for these ones. I also apply petroleum jelly, Vaseline on the sole of my feet. After scrubbing or scraping the sole of my feet, I just apply Vaseline and it feels softer and smoother that way. And you can also use it on your tougher areas, your elbows, your fingers, your hand, your feet. So just fetch a little amount like this and apply it Yeah, so when you use Vaseline on your hands, it keeps the hand moisturized all day long. You know, one reason you develop dark knuckles, serious dark knuckles, is when you don't moisturize your hands properly. You don't moisturize well. If you don't moisturize well, your hands will get dry and eventually develop dark knuckles and all that. So applying Vaseline on your hands make your hand look a bit okay, moisturized and soft. You can apply Vaseline also on your feet, on your elbows, on your knees, to keep them moisturized all the time. Vaseline serves as a good moisturizer, especially after physical exfoliation. You know, after scrubbing your skin or after exfoliating the skin gets drier. So you would need Vaseline to moisturize the skin, to hydrate the skin, to lock moisture onto the skin. Applying Vaseline on the skin after exfoliation makes it feel softer, supple, glowing and radiant. Also, if you have a dry and flaky skin, Vaseline petroleum jelly should be your all-time favorite, should be your friend, okay? It's going to soothe the skin and prevent it from cracking and flaking. You can also make your perfumes and colognes last longer by using Vaseline petroleum jelly. Now this is how you use it. So you're going to target behind your ears, okay? So you dab a little amount of the Vaseline there, and then your wrist, those are your breathing points. Your pulse point are your breathing point, okay? And then your cleavage, apply it. Your cleavage, the back of your knee, and then your in between this areas, you apply it here, this areas, before spraying your perfumes or your colognes. Yeah, you know, alcohol-based perfumes do not last longer on the body as compared to oil-based perfumes. So with alcohol-based perfumes, they actually leave the smell in the surroundings more than leaving the smell on the skin, okay? Because there is no oil to keep or to lock the fragrance or the smell or the notes onto the body. They evaporate easily as compared to oil-based perfumes. Oil-based perfumes lock the fragrance onto the skin because of the oil. So if you have Vaseline or anything balmy, anything oily on top of the skin, there is no way your cologne is going, or your alcohol-based perfume is going to evaporate. It gets stuck on the skin and you'll be smelling all day long. Even if you're using cheap perfumes, trust me, try this hack before applying your perfumes, and trust me, this is body splash, but when I use the splash, don't go there. My customers can even attest to the fact that this is just heaven. This represented me in so many countries, trust me, and I'm not bragging about it. It's good. Those who know. It's a Turkish brand, and the smell, it's goodness. It's inspired by Carolina Herrera's Good Girl. So you can just imagine the smell is just too much. So you can also use Vaseline after shaving. After shaving your beard, you can apply a thin layer, not something much, but a thin layer around your chin, on the areas that you have shaved. It's going to reduce redness, it's going to soothe any cuts that you have gotten in the process, and it's going to help heal the cut faster. And also, if you wax, okay, after waxing, you can use Vaseline to soothe the skin, calm the skin, and prevent irritation. It can also create a barrier that protects the skin from further irritation. I also use Vaseline to tame my frizzy hair. My natural hair is so frizzy. I've even cut it. Okay, it's so, the ends are rough, they are dry, nothing works for it. I've used so many. Initially, no hair relaxer was working for me until I met Mega Gold. That is the only hair relaxer that has worked for me, so I'm sticking to it. But then 2 days after relaxing my hair, Charlie, it's just like I'm keeping the natural hair. My hair never relaxes. The ends are rough, dry and frizzy. You wouldn't like it. I apply Vaseline to lock moisture into the hair and also put the hair into proper shape, well packed and shiny and beautiful. I also see nail technicians using Vaseline to keep their nails or keep their wax clean and beautiful. So after applying their wax, they just apply Vaseline around these areas and the knuckles and all that, and it makes the customer's fingers look glowy, beautiful, radiant and clean. And the last thing you can do with your Vaseline petroleum jelly is by using it as a highlighter to highlight your cheekbones, to give it that glowy, dewy look. Okay, and I see some makeup artists using Vaseline in their wax. I already have cheekbones and I wouldn't see why I should apply Vaseline to highlight my cheekbones. I'll look bony, but you can give it a try. So what else do you use your Vaseline petroleum jelly for? Please let us know in the comment section. Let's read and learn. Thank you very much for watching. If you love this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like and share. See you in my next video.